No feedback row exists yet, so target median is not known. I am on a daily challenge screen at guess 0 and need an efficient first anchor guess. I will accept cookies, focus the search box, search a famous high-rated film, select the highlighted drop-down match, and then click the guess button to register the first guess. Type card is red for the guess il buono, il brutto, il cattivo, and the guess medium is movie, so target median equals TV. Year is further and arrow up, so the target is newer than 1967. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow down, so the target rating is slightly lower than 8.8. Overlapping genres are drama and western. Adventure is not on the target. No actors overlap among Clint Eastwood, Eli Watch, and Lee Van Cleef, and no director overlap with Sergio Leone. Constraints: the target is a TV series, later than 1967, rating just under 8.8, includes drama and western, excludes adventure, and does not feature those listed cast or director names. Avoid repeating il buono, il brutto, il cattivo. Type card is red, so target median equals TV series because the last guess was a movie. The latest feedback says newer than 1967, rating slightly lower than 8.8, with drama and western overlap and no shown cast or director overlap from the last guess. Deadwood is a strong TV western drama anchor that should sharpen year, rating, and overlap clues while respecting the inferred medium. Type card is red for The Godfather Part Roman 2, and the guess medium is movie, so target median equals TV. Year is further with arrow up, so the target is newer than 1974. Rating is within 0.5 with arrow down, so the target rating is slightly lower than 9.0. Overlapping genres: drama is green, crime is not on target. No actors overlap among Al Pacino, Robert De Niro, and Robert Duvall, and director Francis Ford Coppola does not overlap. Constraints: the target is a TV series, later than 1974, rating just under 9.0, includes drama, excludes crime, and does not include those listed cast or director names. Avoid repeating The Godfather Part Roman 2. Type card is red on the latest feedback row, so target medium equals TV series because the last guess was a movie. The latest visible row says newer than 1974, rating slightly lower than 9.0, with drama overlap and crime excluded, while earlier feedback also suggested western overlap, so a prestige TV western drama is the right lane. I will guess 1883 because it is a TV western drama with a strong rating and should test whether western remains an overlap while tightening year and rating. Nice, the answer was 1883 and it took 3 guesses. The big tells were locking in that the target was a TV series, then narrowing it with the western and drama overlap and the strong modern clue from the 2021 year and 8.7 rating.